Hey, what's up guys? My name is Benkei. Today let's talk about the while loop in Python programming. I will cover three parts: how to do basic while loop, how to use break, and how to use continue. First, let's go to basic while loop. I define the number say equal to 1 while number smaller than 6. I would like to print out the number. So let's run it. As you can see, my while loop entered an infinite or dead loop here. It always print out 1 here. This is very dangerous for while loop. So we need to fix that. Say number. So I increase my number by 1 each time step. Say let me write it again. As you can see that it prints out the number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So when you do while loop, remember to check the stop statement to make sure that it can stop. So next, let's talk about the second part, while and a break. So I can do another way to break my while loop. Say if number equal to 6, I print out that a number is found. Number. Okay. Break. If my loop, I need to break the loop. I just introduce a statement called a break here. So let me run it. As you can see, it print out 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it print out the hint message over here, but it doesn't print out number 6 here. So that means my while loop stops in this line 12 here. So next, let's talk about the third part, while and continue. Say, because while number is smaller than 6, okay. Here I use another way called continue. So I increase my number by 1 each loop. So if I found a even number here, I print out, but I continue. Let's run how it does. Okay, as you can see that, so the hint message here is 2, 4, 6. So here the number 3 and 5. So here I use another statement called continue to show how to do your while loop. Okay, thank you. That's all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.